Welcome everyone to another very quick tutorial on how to convert a Word file to a PDF or a Word document to a PDF document, and this just takes probably less than 30 seconds, right? Now follow these simple steps to basically do it yourself. Now a short forward, this should be one of the probably most easiest things, one of the most easiest tasks. However, there is even people in higher positions who actually don't even know how to do this very simple thing, right? Doesn't matter, I'm here to show you guys on how to do it, right? So you have to have your Word document open. So I'm choosing this is like a test Word document. And if you want to change this to a PDF file, all you have to do is you press on the top left on File, and then you're here, and then next up you press Save As. Right, then you should be here, and all you basically do is the first thing you have to specify a file name. So we're just going to name it test file. That's that. And as you can see here, it says save as Word document. And this is basically all you have to do is you click on this drop down menu and you choose PDF from the drop down menu. And as soon as you hit save, the file will be saved as PDF file. And as soon as you've saved it as a PDF file, you can then go ahead and open it up with the application of your choice. And boom, there you have it. That's how you basically convert a simple PDF document or file to a PDF document or file. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do consider doing so. And also, if you have further suggestions for future videos, or if you would like me to cover like a series of simple IT daily tasks which come around in IT department and stuff like that, then do put it down in the comment section. I'll be glad to follow up on your suggestions. As always, thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.